These are my Liverpool men collections in my bedroom. There is Rafa Benitez. These are my plates. Yes, these are all Steven Gerrard with the European Cup. And my little figures, football figures. And my plates, the little figures, plates. And there is Bill Shankly. He was some man. And these are me photographs with players. There we go. FA Cup winners plate. Me and Daniel Agger. And there's our Robbie Fowler, the God. And there's Cherie. Me and Xabi Alonso. And that's